Despite a slight recovery, oil prices are still below $80 per barrel. Given that today's macroeconomic calendar is bereft of any news releases that could have an impact on oil prices, investors are guided solely by the balance of supply and demand. Notably, the OPEC Plus deal to slash output came into force on May 1. This means that supply will gradually shrink. This, in turn, paves the way for further gains in oil prices. In addition, experts predict a continued decline in the U.S. crude oil and the gasoline inventories, so oil has every chance of rising up to $80 per barrel this week. In the meantime, Brent crude oil futures added about 10% as part of a correction. As a result, the asset reached the 77.5 mark, but then started to trade sideways. To continue its corrective move, the quote needs to consolidate above the level of $77.5. In this case, Brent crude will most likely head for the 80 mark. After last week's sharp fluctuations, gold is still trying to stabilize above $2,000 per troy ounce. This week, the focus of market participants is on the meeting of the Bank of England. If the British regulator raises interest rates higher than expected, gold will inevitably come under pressure, falling below $2,000 per troy ounce. However, the meeting will take place only tomorrow. Until then, the market is likely to remain relatively stable. Speaking of the ruble, although Russians had day off to celebrate Victory Day, trading activity was fairly good. The Russian currency managed to bounce off local lows. At the moment, the ruble is trying to stabilize at around 76 rubles per dollar. If the price comes back below 76.5, it will probably break through the 75 mark. A bullish scenario suggesting the ruble's correction from overbought territory will be relevant in a case the price consolidates above 76.50 on the 4-hour chart. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.